Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I finally decided to address the big elephant in the carport. Here we are. Quarter panel is pretty bashed right there in the corner. All the way up to the top. This trim is bashed, I don't know, but I mean it's bad. And you might be able to pull that out, but the problem is this got pushed in a little bit right here, and this is creased in right here. You can see the way the light is. Creased in right here. Problem is there's no access. I guess one good thing is it doesn't look like it got the bumper. I mean, that's bad. Now, I could just go with a new quarter panel on there, cut that one off. That would probably make life easy. And with that off, I could probably have access to the other side over there and try to pull that out or hammer it out. But I don't know what I'm going to do with this car yet. So if I get a full quarter panel, I might as well get a two-door quarter panel and then make it a two-door conversion. I'm not quite sure I'm willing to do that on this car yet. But I don't think I could mess it up. I mean, it's worth a shot to make it look a little better. It's got some pretty nice shape right here. But like I said, it most likely, I'm thinking, I'm going to take the wheel off and look. It had to have crushed this inner, wheel well. And if that's the case, even if it didn't, cut that out where you can have access to everything, or cut in the trunk, cut something in here to have access on there. I don't know. First thing is I got to figure out how to get this trim off. I don't want to screw it up, so I'm going to have to research that a little bit. And this panel right here, a little crease right there, but I think it could be just kind of a swooped. I think it could be bent back, at least good enough to make it look decent. But all the doors the buttons are half in, they don't really close right. I'm gonna take the panels off and squirt some stuff in there, try to get them loosened up. But I'm thinking I'm gonna go get one of those porter poles. I think they got them over there at Harbor Freight for like $100, 100 some bucks. And I mean, if you could come to the other side and push right here, it's not creased bad, except for a little bit right there. I think it could be pushed out. How good it will look or how close, I think this is the big problem right here, is the massive crease right down here. I'm not sure. That's going to take some pulling. But we're going to give it a shot. I mean, like I said, can't make it any worse. But if it looks just kind of presentable, that would be all right for now. Like I said, I don't know how much money I want to spend in this car. I mean, we might just go full bore. I got this touch-up paint for this door, so try to make it match the other stuff. But so I'm thinking this is a good candidate for a full-blown two-door conversion on here. And I mean, that's such a shame right there. I almost didn't buy the car because of this damage. But the rest, once I start to get to looking at all the rest of it, I was thinking, you know what, this ain't too bad. I mean, what do quarter panels cost? $800, something like that? I don't know. Anyways. Just wanted to give a quick update on things I'm laying awake at night thinking about. So, I went ahead and picked up one of these for under $100. It's got the pull hammer on there and the stud welder. So, I mean, who knows? I'm grasping at straws here, but it should work all right. We'll see how much I can pull on there. I don't know about that crease on the backside, but this big old boat stuff on the front, you know, I don't know. Like I said, I got zero experience in this, but I'm gonna try everything. Just wanted to give a quick update on what I was thinking about this, and maybe if before I totally dig into it, I was trying to see if I can get some input on it and see if anybody else got any ideas. I mean, worst case scenario, put a new quarter on there and be done with it. But since I've never done it before, it'd probably be good to see what would happen on there. But hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, hit the bell. So, and write some, you know, give me some feedback on what should be done here. I mean, is it possible, or am I just wasting time? Anyways, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.